حق سران دورنا حق لقى مبيع كرد لك صوري قالوا لي قصدي دقيقة كان
In there, right in there. Waterfalling. Waterfalling. It's called a waterfall, ma'am. Biyo Dhacay. Biyo Dhacay. Mariyahayga ururso saamiyay. Mariyaha ururso. Hiking stick. Wadankiina buura ma leeyihiin. Haye. Kan soo qorayso.
Guys, I'm so excited. Okay, we're called the Somaliland tourists for a reason, right? We're going to an amazing destination called Biyo Dhacay. I saw it from a local YouTuber actually. His name's Yazzer. I'll put the link below if you want to check out his version of Biyo Dhacay. So it's called Biyo Dhacay and it's essentially Biyo Dhacay. So it's a waterfall and it has a big pool underneath. I hope to swim. I've got my swimming trousers on. So yeah, I've been waiting for this day for like ever. So we're up early morning and we're gonna go cruise. Again, it's a mystery to find the place through GPS, Google Maps, offline maps. Obviously, it doesn't work. So we're just gonna, follow the blue dot all the way to the flag, and I will report back on how easy or how hard it is to get there, so that you guys can all go enjoy this beautiful land of ours.
Ha.
waxaan soconaa biyo dhacay dooxiyay leedahay haduu gaariga naga galo waa ina diyaar ahaana wad ka saaran karaysa ku jirto taayir haduu ka qarxa xitaa
Oh yeah, we already
bedelan garanayso
taasi waa soo marnay ba.
insha Allah safar wanaagsan ilaahay noo fududeeyo safarka saaka waxaan idin tusaynaa biyo dhacay meel qurux badan oo ku taala natural wonderka Somaliland ayaan booqanaynaa saaka nala socda waxaan soo tabin doonaa maraayadihii lagu kaxaynay gaarigan gashto kuwi kalena waan xiray
Your driving glasses.
diyaar baan u hay safarta saaka
صح.
insha Allah ilaahay wax dhibana lama kulmiyo soo duceeyay idinka
Amin. Amin.
What are you vlogging?
I don't know. The trip. I'm so excited. I'm just so excited. We're finally going.
Sandra.
Couple of bananas for energy.
وعادي
Just get it. I'm trying to get a tire tube, so that would be fun. Yeah. Let's see if the hustle works.
hore loo isticmaalo iska tuuraya inaga iibiyaan bay rabaan anagana mid bilaash ah yeah well got it.
This is the equivalent to my life jacket. I was worried about swimming, but now I'm not. All right, guys, road trip begins and we're greeted with this big, beautiful new road that we've got built for the first 20 kilometers outside of Hargeisa. Problem now is figuring out this GPS and location system. So we're using offline map, but it's the off-roading that gets difficult. So Google Maps clearly can't see a road, but apparently they're saying there's a road. So we are going to combine our two tactics with asking locals and using our GPS and see how far we can get in finding this beautiful natural wonder. See, on the map, it looks really close to Las Gale, but in reality, it's a whole hour to get to the point of Las Gale off-roading. Our destination is somewhere all the way down there. If you hit this small town, you've pretty much passed it. You are going to want to turn around. But before you turn around, grab yourself a glass of fresh camel milk.
intii hore oo dhan waxaan ku soconay GPS laakiin waxay imika ka dambeeya wadooyinkiina way bateen waxaan tilmaanta ka qaadanaynaa dadka xaafadan meeshan degan oo u eg tahay meeshii ugu dambeysay aan xaafad ku dhaafno.
Okay, so at this point, we're quite far in on our GPS maps off-roading, but we're seeing almost no civilization. This is the first little hut of people that we're seeing that we're going to stop and ask for directions, but honestly, this is looking rough. I need to stretch. And this place is so remote. Okay. You can see where's Nasa Blood's at. There it is. Trying to get directions. Someone sounds like they know where this place is. Tilmaamta lagu socdo is an area with 60 greenhouses. So there must be water, which is obviously why it's a waterfall. But Mama, did you find out? Biyo Dhacay. Anyways, driver is a bit frustrated, but Drawal my Aminozoma. I can't even relieve her if I wanted to, so we're gonna continue. African lion safari. Looks like a. Does that look like greenhouse all the way down there? If the dalhis turns into greenhouse dalhis. Okay, we may not be anywhere near our destination, but at least I got this rare experience to see a herd of garanug grazing. Amazing. By the way, I just found out that that is the word for these things, garanug in Somali and in English. You're welcome.
It's a vlog without a break.
A roadside dinner.
Stop.
Quick tea break as usual. You know the drill. Small roadside stop. We're nowhere near. I think it's like another 30 minutes more, I say. Yeah, but Dharaul needs a break. So we got our lentil stew, a cup of tea, and roti light. Lagama marno lo roti light. Anjara se vada mai sonaite. Illa iyo halkaas. Mo raf kala na hade. Ha.
tan ma tagaadu ka talaabo la candol booro oo gelaysa oo baasiras.
Allah.
Allah. Tana imka waxa doonaysa biyo dhacay soo. Si aleelaalay.
May biyo dhacay.
Biyo dhacay. Biyo dhacay marka laga qamad weyn.
Waxa meel kale laga talaabo meel leed.
Inta waa laga talaabay. Wadadu marka waa isku cilmayso. Laakiin ciidan ku qabsanaysa. Ya. Ciidan baa loo baahan yahay la kastay baro.
Epic fail. So this is like full sand, and our car is not sangir, whatever they call sangir. It doesn't have 4-wheel drive, so this is not gonna work today. Let me see if we can get a ride or.
waxaan ballaaran maana filaynin marka bartanayno ka noqonaynaa gaari sangiir le baan u doonanaynaa 4-wheel drive ah.
Meeshuna xagee ilaa intee? Wada tan markii laga talaabo xagga taa marka leexleex male toos bay u tagaysaa.
Okay, quick intermission, guys. Of course, it would be easy to just show you guys the final destination, but I wanted to share the struggles, how hard it is to really get yourself to the destinations you want to tour around in this land. I'm doing my best, but I'm showing you guys the struggles along the way. How helpful would I be if I just showed you guys the beautiful final destination without all the struggles?
Going through 10 calls and none of them are picking up and they're all rentals.
Heads up, diaspora world, the market is free for car rentals. We've literally gone down the list on Google to the... Oh, somebody answered the phone.
Kira. Gaariya ma kiraysan markiina waxa ku qoran intuu ku qoran yahay inaad gaariya kiraysaan. Ma dhaweey ma.
wax kiraa ma haysan soo maaha ay gaariya malan talo mala numberka qof hore lahaan jiray talo hada wax ma dinta ma min gaariya ugu jiray Suzuki 40
We got a Suzuki.
$40 a day.
That's not bad. But it's a Suzuki. You think it'll be okay? This is upsetting that this is the only option. We wanted to surf so that we could, a 4x4 so that we could go through the river that we got scared of. But there's no market, guys. Can you imagine?
Rentals. Anybody can supply for rental cars in Hargeisa? Welcome.
I tried to go
We'll search for you.
Yeah.
who بدل عدي دونيسا inay wax mashruuc business ay samayso rental car waa mid kamid ah oo la leeyahay ku soo dhawaada soo yaaca
You heard. I tried to go the diaspora way. I checked Google because I was like, okay, Google should have something. You've traveled before, Sammy. How do you find your car rentals on Google? You think Hili Asr has to do with it?
My Hargeisa Guure, karma qabanayan, karma qayilayan.
We're just giving you guys our experience live. So we'll let you know if we get the car and if we're on the road tomorrow. You will see.
marka weekka imsuu noqonayaa sarf kiradiis
gaari weyn
ha
4x4
ha
ilaa 40
maalintii per day ha
magaalada waa ka baxaysaa
ha magaaladan ka baxayna meel baan dalxiis ku tagi lahayna soo noqon lahaa biyo dhacay halkan dacar buruq laga beero marka ma jirto wiiga baa la kareystaa
Yeah, they don't. So we're finding out now. We're just trying by foot. We're trying to find people who rent cars in the city who aren't answering their phones. And he said it's actually really hard to find. It's very rare to find rental per day rentals.
For a week or month.
Yeah.
bil baa lagu kareeyaa buu yiri ama week
dadku say u dalxiisi lahaayeen if you make it difficult. wadooyinkana waa difficult, dalxiiskana waa difficult, gaari karayntana waa difficult. We try to show them the way.
laakiin wax yaraa macquul uu ii sheegay kano
Hey.
haddaad week isku qaadato maalintiiba $40 weeyaan waa ku raqiisida.
Okay, yeah, we did find out a good price there. So at the end of this long day, what worked, Toyo?
Word of mouth wax la yiraahdaa jira. Generationkiina halkan kama shaqeeyo, kaayaga ka shaqeeyo ah telephone yaa taqaana.
All she did was go on her phone and search Dilal.
Google halkan kama shaqeeyo. Idinku Google generation baa tihiin. Google generation halkan kama shaqeeyo. Word of mouth baa ka shaqeysa.
Hadda generation kiina ka buuxa, keen wali ma iman. Come on guys, kusoo yaa. Let's make a difference here. Anyways, for now, Dilal worked. So we picked up our handy local who offered to take us all the way there since he's one of few people that know the actual directions of how to get to Biyo Dhacay. Charged through a bunch of garanwe on the way there. We even made a stop for a couple of local adays, which was sweet. I got to see the tree that aday actually grows on. And then finally at last, where Hargeisa River pours into this other river my mom will tell you guys about, is the point where Biyo Dhacay exists on the map.
marka maxaa tiri meeshani waa
Hargeysa iyo dooxi darar weyn oo isku soo daray halkan maray.
ha
Markay ka ay ku dareen magacii.
kan waa ka Hargeisa
Ka ay ku dareen. Ruuxa ay ku dareen.
waa lacag ku yimaad
waxaa tiri laaskiil baa xitaa dhow
halkan halkan laasga baa
Deegaankii laaskeel baa laga xaqay.
deegaanka laasga halku weyn
ha biyihii baan arkaa waan arkay ha may xitaa ishaan ku dhuftay meel xoog ka socdo and literally after this point we have to walk so it's a hike so this is meesha badda dooxa Hargeysa ay ku tarsanto so the Hargeisa river adds into this river but after now it's like pretty much hike up to the top of this mountain
ciidaada wax ka wanaagsan waxa garanaya dadkan dibadda tigi ayaa garanaya dhulku wixii dadkii ila cadantiida waa markan dhagisto Soomaaliya
me too don't worry we're gonna oh egg waa xabuubta egg ba
Xabuub baxaysa. Masha Allah.
This is the little campsite. The car is all the way down there. We got a lovely scenery of tomatoes. We're gonna find out where this water comes from, right, Mom?
Yeah, we'll try.
Yeah, because they said they don't use a pump or anything. Waxay soo leexiyeen biyo dhacay, sala.
Gotta find out the real technique of how they do this.
Yeah, this is really impressive.
That's when you have a lot of water, you can do this.
And they definitely have a lot of water. Yes. Enough for me to swim in. قفلة تصان وباهنين ها اهلي Okay, I'm out of breath now and that wasn't even a lot okay whoa
So our guide seems to be really afraid for our lives and has asked us like 3 or 4 times, the country you came from, do they have mountains? As in, do you guys know what you're getting yourself into? And clearly he doesn't know what we are capable of. So anyways, we're just, dego and gonna march our way in through these rocks and get to the point where the water is falling so that we can enjoy and swim this wonderful place. Halfway. Mariyahayga uulso saamiyay. Mariyaha uulso. Hiking stick. Wadankiina buura ma leeyihiin. Haye.
ayaa soconayna
mar haddii qoyeen kabuhu waa la siibaa. How are we not there yet? The rocks got bigger.
Biyo Kulule dalkeediyo jarmal xaqaagu daalayso dawaafo si mardowga bilaale dheero dhasuutu
Mommy, you made it.
Urbajoga dibadu indalkeenu hodayahay malama dareemine marka dirin buyaad hero kaalay soo dalxiiso kaalay daltabyada iskaga biye kaalay soo dalxiiso kaalay daltabyada iskaga biye
Okay, guys, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let me know in the comments, was this worth the entire effort of hiking? Or is it kind of meh? I could have seen that on my screensaver. Let me know in the comments below. But for now, enjoy the rest of the video. And my epic swimming skills brought to you by my newly inspired African brain. So you don't think in my tube I could just and come back?
wala soo qaaday halka ciideeda laakiin waa baraf waxa soo qaaday mid yar la socdo waa galay waa baraf imika biyaha qabow taabo baraf yara qabow
urbajoga dibadu indalkeenu hodayahay malama dareemine marka dirin buyaad hero kaalay soo dalxiiso kaalay daltabyada iskaga biye kaalay soo dalxiiso kaalay daltabyada iskaga biye
bahashan ayaga afkiisa ma aragtid. It's a toucan.
Beautiful. So we do. A local food.
Alla way badan yihiinba.
On his tiny little danka huddle, he has a video of me.
Yeah.
waxaad i tustaa moobilkii kanaad ku duubtay.
هاي قول حمد وين
hee kamaradii una tus.
كاميرا ما
hee
عاد مو طوال لكن ده واحد يرون لو قلت لك واحد يروح يعني وياه
ها
واحد يروح فعلا
oka
هذا كذا يروح عندك اسمعي
cajiib baasha yaro kan yaro danka hadalka haa sugaa kamarad leh
واحد ما سبرتن كده
xitaa danka hadalkaa qabtay.
marka soo bixis marka ايوه قاعد وديك مرتا دعدعينا صادق كنت تصدق كان اسمه تو صار
cuduu aday
انت خذت
ما يحق رقم.